Learn with Reeha, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. They'll explore and shine so.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to Learn with Reeha, where learning computer becomes simple, interesting and fun. If you are class 6 student, then this channel is especially made for you. Here we will learn computer in very easy words with examples from our daily life. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming lessons. Now, are you ready? Let's begin our amazing journey into the world of computers. Before we start, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever used mobile phone? Maybe to watch YouTube, play games, or attend an online class? If your answer is yes, then congratulations! You have already used technology. But have you ever wondered what is a computer? How does it work? Why do schools, hospitals, banks, and airports, and even space scientists use computers every day? By the end of this lesson, you will know all the answers to these questions. First, understand the meaning of computer. A computer is an electronic machine that accepts data, processes it, stores it, and gives us useful information. Don't worry if this definition sounds difficult. Let's understand it step by step. What does electronic machine means? An electronic machine is a machine that works by using electricity or a battery. Without electricity, a desktop computer cannot work. Similarly, when your laptop battery becomes empty, it turns off. This means computers need power to work. Think about it. What happens if electricity suddenly goes off while you are using desktop computer? Yes, the computer turns off. That's why computers are called electronic devices. What is data? Now let's learn a new word. Data means raw facts and figures. For example, Ali 12, Bilu Karachi 80. These words and numbers alone do not tell us much, so they are simply called data. Imagine your teacher writes these marks on the board. English is equals to 90, Maths is equals to 85, Science is equals to 95. These are only numbers and called data. What is processing? Now the computer starts working on data. It adds marks, calculate percentages, find grades. This work is called processing, just like your brain thinks before answering a question. The computer also works on data before giving the answer. What is information? After processing, we get useful information. For example, total marks is equals to 270, percentage is equals to 90%, and grade is equals to A plus. Now the numbers have their own meanings. So this is called information. What is storage? Suppose you completed your homework on computer, then you click save. Where does your homework go? It is stored inside the computer. Yes, storage means keeping information safe so we can use it later. Have you ever wondered how a computer completes your homework, plays a video, or shows your exam result? Does the computer know everything by itself? No. A computer works by following a simple process called the IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, processing, and output. Every task performed by a computer follows these three steps called IPO cycle. First, computer takes input, process it, and then gives us output. Step 1. Input. Input is a process of entering data and instructions into a computer. In simple words, input means giving information to the computer. The computer cannot work until we provide it with data or instructions. Step number 2. Processing. Processing is the process of working on the input data according to the given instructions. The CPU, also called the brain of computer, performs all processing. It thinks very quickly and follows the instructions given by the user. Step number 3. Output. Output is the final result produced by a computer after processing. It is the useful information shown to the user. Now, understand the IPO cycle with a simple example. Situation: typing your name. Input: you type your name using the keyboard. Processing: CPU receives the letter of your names and processes them. Output: the word appears on the monitor. Why is this IPO cycle important? The IPO cycle helps us to understand how a computer works. Without input, the computer has nothing to work on. Without processing, the computer cannot perform any task. Without output, the user cannot see the result. All these three steps are necessary for every computer task. Thank you for joining me on Learn with Reeha. I hope today's lesson helped you understand the topic clearly. If this video was useful, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support motivates me to create more easy and engaging lessons for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you are always be updated with my latest educational video. Until my next lesson, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.